Where are we going today?
Today we are going to Wookey Hole. It's a giant f***ing cave in the f***ing ground where they mature cheese. By use of the profanities, no f***ing way this is ever going to see the light of day. Insert Anti-Jemmy making big use of a
Yep.
while editing.
Lots of beeps.
Excellent.
Lots of beeps are always required for our videos.
Obviously. What we're going to do today is we've driven 250 miles to go to some very expensive caves to buy some very expensive cheese to make what I hope are going to be the most delicious cheeseburgers this evening. Nom, 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 nom.
I can't wait, honestly. The entire trips are always planned around food, absolutely. Are you brave enough to be a witch? Second hole in one. Second.
Can I match your hole in one?
Oh! Sorry, Adam, not today.
No, we can't match my hole in one. Let me see.
You'll thank me in post-edit when you don't use any of this.
Yes, I think we've one of ours is like
Right.
Wow. We found Velma. That was cool. Look, John. Look at me.
It's like a whole secret garden.
It is, isn't it?
The award-winning Wookey Hole cheese is stored for up to a year to gain its
Characteristic.
and mouth-watering flavour.
Oh, we're gonna go and get some of that later. Mwah. That's it, and now. Yep.
2.
Maybe you should do 5.
Oh, finish. Crumble a bit off. Cave cheese good.
Cave cheese is very good.
Hang on up.
I like cave cheese.
I've made. Sounds like burgery goodness.
That is most impressive.
Nice and crisp.
Just remember, it'll be very hot as well when you go to eat it then. There's no skin in the corner. Right, all packed up, ready to go. That brings our stay at the Den and Orchard to a close. We found this place on Pitched Up, and honestly, they have every facility you could possibly want. The showers and the toilets are lovely. They've got fridge, kettle, microwave, games room for the kids. They've got fire pits and picnic tables for you to make use of. Honestly, the owner is a lovely gentleman who's just walking off down there. We've enjoyed every second of it. There's everything here you could ask for, need, you know. I suppose, like everybody, we forget things when we come in. Just up the road is 2 supermarkets, 10 minutes to Longley. Honestly, couldn't ask for better. It's been lovely.